Hello guys, this is Aryan and in this video I will be sharing 10 lines essay about the ladyfinger. Number 1. Ladyfinger is a vegetable. Number 2. It is also known as okra or bhindi. Number 3. It is green in color. Number 4. It is commonly used in various cuisines. Number 5. The vegetable is often used in curries. Number 6. It is low in calories. Number 7. Ladyfinger is rich in vitamin C and K. Number 8. It can be cooked in various ways including frying, roasting or stewing. Number 9. The seeds inside the ladyfinger are often edible. Number 10. Ladyfinger is easy to grow in a home garden. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked it, kindly subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. Thank you.